Hello my dear students, welcome to the online class of Ananda Multimedia School and College. This is Aziz Ahmed here. I hope you are all safe and well in your respective position in this situation. Today, the topic of our class is transformation of sentence. My dear students, which is one of the biggest topics in grammar, where there are sentence change, voice change and degree change. So this class is very important for every class, especially for class 6 to 10. My dear students, at first we need to know what is transformation. Transformation means to change from one sentence to another sentence without changing the meaning. It can be simple to complex, simple to compound. Again, it can be assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, etc. That's why we need to know types of sentence. Okay, let's know types of sentence. According to the structure, there are three types of sentence. What are they? They are simple, compound and complex. Besides, according to the meaning or function, there are 5 types of sentence, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Again, assertive sentence can be divided into 2 categories, such as affirmative and negative. And today, which is our main topics. My dear students, now I am going to discuss how to change affirmative to negative. Look at the board. I have already written some rules on the board because we have to learn some rules to change affirmative to negative. First of all, only. Only can be used in 3 ways, such as only becomes none but, only becomes nothing but, only becomes not more than or not less than. But when there will be none but, nothing but or not more than instead of only. Now I am going to discuss one by one. My dear students, only changes into none but. I again say only or alone changes into none but. That means if we find the word only in an affirmative sentence and if that word, I mean only, refers to the person or Allah, then only changes into none but at the time of the negative sentence. If we notice the example, after that everything will be clear. My dear students, look at the example. Affirmative. Only Mahin can solve this math. Negative. None but Mahin can solve this math. Look at the example. My dear students, in this sentence, the word only refers to the Mahin and we know that Mahin is a person. That's why we have used the word none but instead of only. Okay? And none but must be used at the beginning of the sentence. Okay? After that, only becomes nothing but. My dear students, I again say only becomes nothing but. That means if we find the word only in an affirmative sentence and if that word, I mean only, refers to the things or materials, then only changes into nothing but. Okay, look at the example. Affirmative sentence. He needs a pen only. Negative. He needs nothing but a pen. My dear students, look at the example. In this sentence, only refers to the pen, and we know that pen is a things. That's why we have written nothing but instead of only. That's all. Okay? And nothing else will change in this sentence. Finally, only turns into not more than or not less than. If the word only indicates the number or as, then only changes into or only replaced by not more than or not less than. Look at the example. After that, everything will be clear. Affirmative. He got only 50% marks in English. Okay? Negative. He got only replaced by not more than or not less than. 50% marks in English. Okay? Look at the example. In this sentence, the word only refers to the number. That's why I have written the word not more than. We can also use not less than instead of only. Okay? And nothing else has changed in this sentence. After that, if we find the word must, have to, has to, need to in an affirmative sentence, the word must, have to, has to, need to replaced by cannot but or cannot help. If we notice the example, after that everything will be clear. Very easy. Affirmative sentence. We have to drink clean water. Negative sentence. We have to replaced by cannot but or cannot help. Cannot but drink clean water. Look at the example, my dear students. In this sentence, have to replaced by cannot but, and we can also use cannot help. But if we use cannot help instead of have to, then we have to add ing to the verb, such as we can not help drinking clean water. In this sentence, we have used cannot help instead of have to. That's why we have added ing to the verb. That's all. And nothing else will change in this sentence. Okay? My dear students, no more today. I will come back again with a new class. So keep your eyes on our Facebook page. Allah Hafiz.